How much upside can we expect, Jerry, in the China internet names?
Well, it's great to be back. We certainly are pretty positive on China Internet to start this year. While we've had a pretty nice re-rating in a lot of these names in the last month plus, I still see a valuation going up 10 to 20% for a lot of the large caps as investors price in the recovery this year, and then earnings growth. Now, this is the key. We see 20 to 30% earnings growth for a lot of these large caps. Not only are you seeing the top line recover, but remember last year they did a lot of cost cutting and efficiency gains.
Who is best of breed then, Jerry, in this environment, and who's going to benefit the most from the relaxation of any regulatory uncertainty?
Yeah, last year, a lot of these advertising and online media names were really lagging e-commerce. So one of the calls we made a few months ago was that these names would start to catch up. I think at this point, frankly, a lot of these large caps quality names, whether it's e-commerce or online media, have the kind of performance that I described earlier. It's really, anyone that has suffered the regulatory and also the intense competition and that type of environment in the last couple of years. And now, the companies are just in a much better position, both on the top line and on the cost structure.
Jerry Martin here. Good to see you. I know you see limited expansion for Chinese internet, the Chinese internet space this year. Why limited, and what is going to limit it?
Yeah, I say limited on especially on the valuation side because a lot of these names are now actually, we look at the on average the group of large caps, they're now trading slightly ahead of U.S. internet, and I think given conversations we have with investors, global investors, on just the geopolitical, the regulatory environment, I think there will still be some long-term concerns, and that's why. That puts a lid on how much re-rating we can see. And secondarily, it will be the long-term growth profile of a lot of these companies. I do see a recovery this year, but compared to past years, we just don't have as much macro growth and online penetration to be had in the long run.